What's up YouTube? So as you can see, back doing another project. This one is going to be working on cleaning up this pretty cool little cubby house that was already built here when we bought the place. And so just going to make it really nice. As you can see, Logan's running around upstairs and it's just sort of already built into underneath the house. So it's just going to be sort of demoing some of the worst bits of it and fixing it up and adding some cool features and making it really nice and more user friendly for Logan for Christmas, and then eventually I guess Charlie once he's old enough to sort of climb around it. So let's get into it. So as you can see, this is the inside. It's pretty basic. I definitely want to get rid of that and sort of fix the ceiling up. I'm not, yeah, don't like all that, but yeah, I think it's got the bones or something pretty cool. Going to do a bit with the concrete. Straight up, who the fuck uses nails this fucking big for just a thingy, my bobby? Just a latch. It's done. I think it looks pretty cool. Obviously it would have been nice if I could have had all this sort of timber all the way up, but I ended up having to cut up some of the stuff that I had. What's up YouTube? So as you've seen, it's basically done now, which is pretty cool. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Definitely could be a bit better, and I'm probably going to end up painting some parts later, but that's basically where I'm going to be sort of leaving this cubby house for now. Yeah, later on down the line I'd like to paint all that, but it's usable and functionable, and it's looking pretty sick, and I might try to paint it before Christmas, but we're going to see how we go, because I got a lot of other stuff going on. Just wanted to get this to a sort of usable state, as I've got family coming in a couple of days actually, so I wanted the kids to be able to play on this and have it done enough. Definitely a few things that I could improve on, and I'll probably sort of spend a bit more time on it later, but ultimately it is a cubby house, and it doesn't have to be the craziest thing in the world. It just has to be nice and usable. Yeah, so that's basically it. So if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Peace.